I've been waiting for this day for over a month. I'm just about to head out to my buddy Will's garage right now and finally get the wheels mounted on the Charger, do the rear brakes. It's been too long. It's been killing me. I'm gonna go load the wheels in the car and let's do this. All right, what's going on, guys? So first things first, we're gonna get these wheels off because I'm gonna do the brakes first before we get the new wheels on. So let's get right into it right now and get these bad boys off. You have no idea how excited I am to get these things off right now.
That tray is for your spare parts under you.
Okay.
So you don't need to touch.
Yeah. Oh, trust me, I've already lost my lug nuts. I almost lost my lug nuts on the bike.
You feel something that's never happened to you. It's like hearing that.
All right, let's go. Oh, these things are nasty. Oh, woo. Oh, what a rust bucket. Wow. Yo. Woo. You know who's coming to Bold Point Park in Providence? White Snake.
When?
I don't know, they said in August. I was like, yo, I'd love to see White Snake. Last time I did this, I'm pretty sure that this one was so horrible to get off, but now it's much easier now.
Probably because you have to wear tools.
Well, I think when me and my dad were doing it, or sorry, my dad and I were doing it before, it was like, I think it was like seized. It was horrible. We were banging on this thing forever trying to get it off. But, oh.
Is it because we were the first to do brakes on it since it came from the factory?
Probably. Or the guys at Dodge tightened it down. Oh no, actually no, when I first got the car, I got this thing, they did the rear brakes.
Mm-hmm.
Gross. It's finally time. It's like, oh, they don't fit. The wrong ones. All right, so the new pads and rotors are on now. Now we're just gonna mount the wheel on, but I'm not gonna show you guys until the end, so you guys can see all four of them on the car at once. When I bought this car 2 years ago, I knew that I wanted to do a lot to it to make it my own, and one of the biggest things I wanted to do was change the wheels. Don't get me wrong, the stock wheels aren't bad, but I wanted to give this thing an upgrade. It needed more rubber and it needed nicer wheels. It did take a while to finally get to this point, and there have been other pressing things that needed to be taken care of before this step, but I just want to say that this means a lot, and this is a big deal for me to finally be doing this. I've been wanting to get a new set of shoes on her for a long time, and now the time has finally come. So without further ado, Charger Fitment 2022. I'm honestly blown away. I can't even, I am so happy right now. You guys have no idea how excited I am to finally have these wheels on. And it's just exactly how I pictured it. Like, I can't right now. Oh, it's exactly what I wanted. Everything looks perfect. The only thing I can think of is maybe next season we'll do some lowering springs just to get it nice and tight. But the color scheme is, yes, it looks so good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you are still here to the end, please don't forget to hit the like button. It does mean a lot to me. It means a lot to the wheels. They definitely would appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.